For most of us, having your hearing tested is a simple matter, but for people who have trouble communicating, it can be nearly impossible for doctors to get an accurate reading. That means hearing aids, when needed, can be difficult, if not impossible, to prescribe. But thanks to new technology out of Ontario and recently purchased by Vancouver General Hospital, people with special needs are now being offered a chance to hear again. Linda Aylesworth reports.
Last one, Dana. Last one.
Dana Mitchell has been plagued with health issues since infancy, the result of complications shortly after birth.
She was brain injured at 3 days old. And a very complex little girl.
Further complications damaged her heart and lungs. The result, both mental and physical disabilities. And recently, a new challenge. Tumors in her ears are taking away her ability to hear.
Being deaf is a challenge for anyone. Being deaf and being special needs is an enormous challenge. It's really, really hard to communicate with Dane.
But her increasing hearing loss is reason for yet another concern. It involves her love of music.
Music makes her come alive. Everything is better when she knows she's going for music. And after music, she's just singing songs and clapping and just a delightful, delightful, happy little girl.
This required to remove the tumors will worsen her hearing loss, and Dana's mother worries about what will happen if her daughter loses the ability to hear music. There are hearing aids, but hearing tests are required before they can be prescribed, and that is a problem.
She's a special patient because her attention is really short, and she couldn't give you consistent responses. And the other thing is she constantly moves her body, so make this hearing test very difficult and very challenging.
This is where Dana's luck starts to turn around, because Vancouver General Hospital recently received funding to purchase a Vivisonic Integrity 500, developed in Ontario. It's the latest in hearing diagnostic technology. It was originally designed for newborns, but it's proving useful for other difficult cases as well.
The patient can play, the patient can read a book, and she doesn't need to participate in this test, and we can get specific, reliable results.
The technology can accurately record what the brain is hearing without the patient even being aware of it.
Once we know her hearing loss at each frequency for both ears, then we can fit her with hearing aids. In that case, she can communicate and she can hear and she can enjoy her music.
The testing is everything, and hearing is critically important for Dane. Hearing her music is as important as us breathing air.
Thanks to the test, Dana has already received a hearing aid for her right ear. After surgery on the left ear, she'll be fitted with another, which means surgeons can save her life without taking away the thing she loves most. Linda Aylesworth, Global News.